Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into MetaMask securely for Ethereum dApps step by step clearly. To begin, ensure that you have the MetaMask extension installed in your browser. Open your preferred web browser where MetaMask is installed. Click on the MetaMask icon located in the toolbar. If you're already logged in, you will see your wallet dashboard. If not, you will be prompted to enter your password. Carefully type in your password in the designated field. Make sure you are in a secure environment when entering your password. After entering your password, click the Unlock button. Once logged in, you will see your Ethereum wallet balance and transaction history. To access decentralized applications, navigate to the dApp website you wish to use. Make sure to verify the dApp's URL is correct to avoid phishing attempts. Most dApps will have a Connect or Login button on their homepage. Click on the Connect or Login button. You will see a MetaMask pop-up requesting permission to connect to the dApp. Review the permissions being requested by the dApp. If you agree, click Next to proceed. Then, click the Connect button to establish the connection. You are now connected to the dApp and can start using it safely. Keep in mind to log out of your MetaMask after using the dApp for added security. To do this, click on the MetaMask icon again. Select the account options and choose Log Out or close the browser window. Always make sure to keep your seed phrase secure and never share it with anyone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.